performance is better than it's ever been in terms of its performance specs. We go 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds, 0 to 100 in 3.5 seconds. With the new cells and all of the efficiency improvements, we've also increased range up to 306 miles on the EPA cycle or 580 kilometers on the WLTP.
The aerodynamic platform of the new Model Y performance has been vastly improved compared to the previous product. You look at the vehicle, you will notice how we have now a longer frontal splitter and rear diffuser together with a reduced ride height and an extended rear spoiler.
At the front of the vehicle, we retained the confident cross-car lamp that we have on the premium Model Y. Working down from there, we re-profiled the front fascia with a longer front splitter that improves downforce and high-speed stability.
Tires for me are one of the most engineered part of the vehicle. This tire comes with a lot of lateral grip and a lot of longitudinal grip that give you those great acceleration numbers and deceleration numbers.
In the rack wheels, we have these new aero covers. These also work with our aero team very well, massively reducing aerodynamic drag compared to the previous performance.
So when the air comes around through the front, through the vent, it comes over the wheel and it hits these wheel caps, and you get a much tighter flow across the side of the vehicle that keeps it really slick in that straight line when you're talking about range.
So overall, you get a package which is going to give you at least the same comfort of the premium product, but as well can transform into that high-performing, fun-to-drive vehicle whenever you want.
Inside new Model Y performance, the seat has a very sporty, contoured upper portion that helps with lateral support whilst driving spiritedly, but also is extremely comfortable. On the lower, we have an all-new powered bolster that can extend to support the thigh.
We're really emphasizing the sporty character through key CMF materials like the carbon fiber, the micro suede, the badging, and the aluminum features.
When you put all that together, you end up with a car that is super performant for its class, but we've also thrown in some engineering changes to the suspension and the aerodynamics that allow us to soften up the rear end and give an overall better riding experience, in addition to the performance that we got from all of the powertrain improvements.
The design evokes an expression of sportiness, but also has the utility that we've come to know in every Model Y. So you can take your gear to your adventure in style, arrive in style, and have had an amazing journey.